Ooh, that one's looking at me. I think it's too hot for them to move. 33 degrees today. That must just take it on, look. Seems okay. Yeah, it's probably me. Lovely, Robbie. I stopped and wondered what these were. Oh, seagulls, weren't they? Or gulls, if they're not real sweet. Oh, there's some baby gulls. Looks at it. Yeah. You can see them from distance. I thought I'd stop and have a look. I don't know if they're pigeons or gulls. Robin's just gone for a lay down in the sun. We've got two squirrels chasing each other around a tree. Absolutely oblivious. And you're making that weird noise. And if you look up there, there's a little rabbit. These two just chasing each other around the street. Oh, sorry. There might be a territory dispute there, you think? Oh, they might be fighting. Whoa, yep. You up there? I think that's a nest there.